Kjacht shaskashay 66 is amshir hacha, the past tense. What they don't tell you is that exactly the same forms are also the conditional. So you get a twofer. So is becomes ba for the past tense. It also is ba for the conditional tense. Bawailim, I would like. Bawailim, I did like. Same exact forms. So you have to know from context, otherwise you can't tell. Is becomes ba. Ni becomes near. And nirv before a vowel, or an FH, is treated like a vowel. Question is or erv before an FH or a vowel. Then the secondary speech, the dependent forms are gur for the positive, or gurv before a vowel or FH, nar and narv, and they cause lenition. So ba causes lenition, gur and nar cause lenition as well. They give you a little notes here and there you got to pay attention to. Ba before a, e, id, in other words, all the pronouns that begin with a vowel, stays ba. You don't put b apostrophe. But in other cases, you do use b apostrophe, like barlam, I would prefer, or I did prefer. You can't tell. So then they give you a whole bunch of things to practice with using those forms, which you need to do. And then they give you other ways of using the copula. And they just compare the past tense to the present tense. There's a lot of stuff, because there's a lot of use of the copula. But then, again, there's a little note on the bottom of the second page, which is something I'm not sure always happens, but you can use the present identification part of the sentence, ismisha, to refer to something in the past, arinyae. So that is also done, even though they don't always agree there. But most of the time, the copula will be agreeing in different parts of the sentence, and you'll see that on the third page. There's a third page, don't forget to turn it, where they combine the regular form with the relative, the referring back form. You'll also note that in the relative form, ba can become ab before a vowel or FH. So they have the examples. Ishe shin anrud ismo, ba shin anrud ba wo. So they agree there, you see, both in the past tense, and ba wo in the relative form. But before a vowel or FH, let's do the last one. Ishe andrahar is oige, ba andrahar aboige. So it becomes a before a vowel. Then we get something they don't explain. Ishe anfar ismo a da wakame riv. That da wakame, of all that I have ever seen, that is using the collective. And when you have the collective, you're using the indirect relative form. So there's other phrases they don't give you, like tra da rev. Once upon a time, tra, T-R-A-F-A-T-H, da rev, of all that was, not da vi, that doesn't work. It has to be the collective form, so that is using the indirect relative form, rev. Okay, so that's how that one works. They have a few examples of this. Shean liauris fare dar le me riv, of all that I have ever read. Okay, so practice these. You need obviously to use the copula in the past tense quite frequently. But remember, you're getting a twofer because it's also the conditional. It's exactly the same forms. So have fun with that.